As far as Doge support floor, it basically is currently $0.056, which explicitly in a real sense is genuinely critical in a genuinely huge manner. Dogecoin cost examination certainly is bullish today, extremely beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking in a significant way. Dogecoin certainly explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense is very critical. Doge fundamentally in a real sense rose 8.98% in 7 days, which basically is very huge in an unpretentious manner. 07 November 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in every practical sense, generally attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified pressing issues, facts, what especially in every practical sense is essentially extremely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. For the most part is Doge an especially truly wise interest in an all things considered, fundamentally large way amazingly. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, truly in spite of prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Yet, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination, generally let us basically discuss the in every practical sense, truly current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. Market examination over the actually quite last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,325,730,169,204, kind of in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally genuinely all-out exchanging volume stands at $41,562,812,633 in a really lovely significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, all things considered, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours, in a quite large manner in an all things considered, enormous way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period, by and large, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. XRP, the pretty really local coin of XRP for the most part fundamentally is up by 2.1, and as of now exchanging at 69 cents, which by and large is very huge, in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. These occasions demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending course for pretty exceptionally present moment, which especially is genuinely critical, which explicitly is very huge. As of now, a by and large broad kind of genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a for the most part significant manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to by and large in every practical sense recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. Support generally really is a level at which purchasers certainly for the most part become certainly more especially dynamic and especially in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking, which explicitly is very critical. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants truly become dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours in an especially significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. Following for the most part in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, fundamentally is at $0.075, up 5.55% in the certainly beyond 24 hours and in a real sense truly has a value change of 8.98% over the course of the week in a by and large significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 840,062,726.00 United States dollars, while extremely all-out market cap came to $10,654,726,133 United States dollars, or so they all things considered, thought in an unpretentious way. They're sort of are practically 141,729,646,384 most certainly are available for use out of 141,729,646,384 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 07 November 2023 inside a day-to-day time period in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. We utilize commonly fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense. Especially straightforward moving especially lovely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty essentially normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Dogecoin, or so they sort of thought. While Doge's Williams %R marker generally is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange actually commonly signals sort of truly is truly conceivable at this reach, or so they for the most part really thought in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line most certainly is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, which sort of really shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin financial backers need to fundamentally by and large sit tight for any directional change over the especially sort of everyday diagram, which basically most certainly shows that Doge in a real sense certainly rose 8.98% in 7 days, in an essentially extremely significant manner in a sort of significant manner. The in every practical sense, really relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Dogecoin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI explicitly by and large is at 24. Certainly further appearance how which fundamentally generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which for the most part is very critical. As opposed to mainstream thinking. Ends at this point, Dogecoin by and large fundamentally is getting along admirably, and especially is endeavoring to especially in every practical sense, break out of the ruddy zone. So the MACD line most certainly in a real sense is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, which in every practical sense shows that furthermore. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing